Hi, this is a tutorial on guided selling and paths and how to set them up in Lightning. This is a great thing where you can have next steps mandatory. Look it up here in setup. This is a these are the path settings. I'm sorry about the cough. And the first thing is, what do you name your path? Second thing is you choose the object, like, path name. What's it going to be called? What's the reference object? Is it on the lead? Oh yeah, the lead object. The lead object is great. And then the kind of the record type. So you can choose a different path for different record types, and then the pick list. So you could run it off the status, or you could run it off of anything you'd like, just like Kanban. Yeah, right. And then you just choose and see. You can see all these different steps here. You can make a field required on the left with some guides on the right. Yes, that's true. So here you go. Some sort of guidance before. And you can actually make these fields with a validation rule or something that you can't go to the next step. Okay, and here are like the fields you can surface over or into the top. My recommendation and best practices, keep it less. Less is more, right? Like the top two things, the top one field between the different stages or the business different paths you want to go. Could be any sort of path off of any field. That's a more or less that's a pick list, right? Okay, what are we going to do? I'm going to add a field. I'm going to say them some notes. And with that, then don't forget to activate it. And that comes at the end here. Boom. Activate, not activate. It's a common thing I don't do. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has helped.